the second, say there is a huge pressure coming in from the very top hierarchy of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. About Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the next two games which is against Aduana Otumfo Nyankopon Yadoma Echina and then against Accra House of Folk. According to media reports, Ewu Kumasi Nechile said, Coach Abdulkarim Zito has been handed 2 games ultimatum. Na we any official communication for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Debuno na the IMC chairman na pinkra emko ho no na pinkra mo kasa na pinkra kra de one no e for the general playing body enti amanfo e kasa se playing body ni e we a e coach na ono no ye sakabo no Sakotoko entime ni eduana game no na wentime ni hasofo game na coach no should be fired. This is coming from a grapevine sources e Kumasi. Na ye Kotoko supporters a ye wo ha mo hwe Kotoko channel yi no. E na mebuzam say, would it be appropriate say win in the next 2 games Kotoko nsake Karim Zito ana, because the platform be I was to be ano akoye inchino we be say onko, but e be so e hold the opinion say coach ne by 1 year kra enu ye nti ade ntina was here the 2 games we ebe ultimatum man say so wentime we ni a onko meje mwadwen kire sa coach no ewi ni 2 games ni nyina enim say obetena na si enya 2 games ni nyina win na should it be the end of the road for Abdulkarim Zito? Enya sa na ye pe no, but meme de in the event say sa coach na ntime we no kra na me say at this material moment yes coach in the middle of the season, you know, me Kotoko no me di achire me who say ede nyoma papa bia bre na in the middle of the season ne asesa mumma man no enye na dwuma na season no so na wetima ange league no na who say obaye no wabo full season wetima ange ne agya no kwan ma fe ya hyehyɛ ne ye me de madwen kyerɛ no I hold the opinion say so oje MTNFA Cup no kra na no ange league na I will say odi adwuma no to, because at least ball half season and now when you full season so nti me madwen kyerɛ no minim wadwen kyerɛ de and Karim Zito ebetime win against Aduana no win against House of Folk, but not next game yasa kunya inconsistent results. Enye Karim Zito me ye players ne kan ho pa nti assembly ne ka den nti minim adwen kyerɛ but 2 games automatic me na say abeda ho ye mmompa say obe lose, but owini a ensan toatoa so owini 2 games ya I was say win na sa toatoa so and just say 2 games automatic we na wini na afi yasa ko lose na say tinko sa enye fine